Hello, this is Journey and I'm Sana. And this post is titled Heavenly Hiccups because Journey got the hiccups. And I tried everything to cure his problem except the right thing. Most of you know Journey and I, but for those of you who don't, let me explain how we teamed up. Journey appeared on my front doorstep during the COVID. He was a runaway, and I rescued him, didn't I? Didn't I rescue you? Have a seat. Sit. Good job. At the same time, my husband left me, and he has never come back. There's a verse in Scripture that says, God provides all our needs according to his riches and glory. And Journey is all I needed. It's not what I wanted, but sometimes we don't know what's best for us. But the Lord does. And I love my polar bear. And he satisfies all my needs according to God's riches and glory. Getting back to the hiccups. Journey got the hiccups one day. And I tried to fix him. I laid him down. Journey, sit. I laid him down, and I rolled him over, and I gave him a belly rub. And it made him feel a lot better, and he stopped his hiccups. But the hiccups came back the next day. And I wondered what was wrong. So I rolled him over, and I rubbed his belly again. Well, the third day, I started wondering, maybe it's his diet. Maybe I'm giving him something that's causing his stomach to have problems. So I eliminated one thing from our diet one day, and they still came back. Then the next day I tried something else, but the hiccups still came back. So I prayed, and I asked the Lord to please help me figure out why my dog was getting hiccups. And then I started to think about what I was doing. We were doing the same thing every day. We'd go out and we'd exercise. You ride on the bike, and he gets a lot of exercise. Then we come in and have breakfast. But afterwards, I rush around the kitchen and I try and get all my tasks done for the day. That's what caused Journey's hiccups. He was having anxiety because I was having anxiety. Sometimes we transfer our nervousness over to our animals and actually over to other people that are around us as well. And so I tried a new thing the next day. I did my tasks slowly, and after each chore, I would rub Journey's belly, or we'd do a stunt together, or I'd brush him, or we'd exercise, chase a ball, play fetch. And I was giving him a little bit more attention, and that's what he needed. And the hiccups went away. So, the next time someone in your house is having a problem, instead of trying to fix it, do something happy, like sing a song, slow down, or do an activity with them. You'll be amazed how their problems may seem to be a lot less than what they think they are. Please go back and read the rest of my post. There's some helpful tips on how to cure hiccups.